Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to apply free shipping in cart page when specific product added in cart page in WooCommerce WordPress using custom code. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in cart page and then you see shipping method, flat rate, free shipping. Now go to WooCommerce setting. So we are in setting and then we click on shipping and then scroll down, you see shipping zone, so click on it and then scroll down. So we have zone name, now you see everywhere. So we have two shipping method, flat rate, free shipping, so click on edit. So if you want to apply free shipping in cart page when specific product added in cart, then you need to add free shipping also. Now you see flat rate $20, free shipping. Now click on edit. Now you see free shipping, no requirement. Now close. So if you want to apply free shipping, then you need to create free shipping also in WooCommerce. So we created free shipping. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add new plugin. So we are going to add custom code, and in custom code we are going to add product ID, and then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet, so click on it. And after adding code we are going to remove WooCommerce shipping cache or cache also. So we are in add snippet and then you see add your custom code, so click on it and then you see select the code type. Now select PHP snippet. Now create custom snippet section open and then you can add title and then you see code preview. Now paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. So by using this code we are going to apply free shipping when specific product add in cart page. So this is our product ID 4703. So this is our product. Now you see ID 4703. So you can add product ID according to requirement. So this is our product. Now click on it, ceramic bird. So when we will add this product in cart page, then free shipping apply. Now go to cart page. So by default you see shipping method, flat rate and free shipping. So we added using WooCommerce setting. So when another product in cart page, then free shipping hide. And when we added specific product in cart page, then flat rate hide and free shipping show using custom code. Now back to code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. Now you see action, function, and then you see specific product ID 4703. So you can add product ID according to requirement, and then you see function loop, and then you see if the specific product is in cart page, show free shipping and hide all other shipping method. Now you see, so this is our free shipping. So this is our ID for free shipping. Now you see free shipping colon 28. If the specific product is not in the cart page, remove free shipping. Again you see value ID. So we are going to find out our free shipping ID or value in cart page. Now go to cart page and then you see free shipping, right click on it and then click on inspect. So you can add your shipping ID. Now you see inspect element open and then you see value. So when we highlight input type, now you see highlight and then you see value of free underscore shipping colon 28. So you can add your free shipping value in custom code. So we added free shipping colon 28. Now you see, now close, back to code. So we added here. Now you see in 3 location. So you can add your shipping free shipping ID and then scroll down again, add product ID 4703 and then you see custom message. You qualify for free shipping. Free shipping is not available. Add the specific product. So you can customize this message according to requirement. So after that we are going to remove WooCommerce shipping cache. Now scroll down, you see insert method, auto insert, location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to WooCommerce shipping. Now you see flat rate, free shipping we created. So first disable this both. Now you see we disable and then click on save changes. So after that we are going to enable again. Enable this and then click on save changes. So in this way you can remove WooCommerce shipping cache. Now setting saved. Go to cart page. Now you see flat rate, free shipping. Now refresh the page and then you see message free shipping is not available. add the specific product, and then you see flat rate show, free shipping hide, because we don't edit specific product now, so we are going to add it again. Now go to product, click on add to cart. Now product added, go to cart page and refresh the page. So we added specific product. Now you see ceramic bird, and then you see message, congratulations, you qualify for free shipping, and then you see subtotal free shipping, and then click on proceed to checkout, and then scroll down. Now you see your order, shipping, free shipping. So we are going to place order, so click on it, place order. Now you see order placed, done, and then you see shipping, free shipping. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.